What's up mga madlang people? And today, we are playing Class 1 Keyboard Escape. So the topic of the game is you need to higher your level and you have to beat obbies for wins. So basically, there's many obbies that you need to try out. And when you level up, you get speed. Yes, you get speed po. You get speed by leveling up. Dito po siya, sa custom speed po sa gilid. Sa 2 times speed sa baba po nun. And dito ko lang po kaya. So ngayon, first mag-sub na po kayo. Hindi subtraction, dapat multiplication. Kung ikaw ay first sub, wala pa akong sub ngayon eh. Swerte ka kung first sub ka. Kung naging famous ako. Pero itatry kong maging famous para sa inyo. Magpa-post po ako videos. And that's for today. Bye!